In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate a journal entry in QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting with bookkeeping, understanding how to make accurate journal entries is essential for managing your financial records. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First things first, you need to open QuickBooks. Head over to your web browser and enter the QuickBooks URL. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, ensure you've signed into your account. This ensures you have access to all the features we'll be discussing today. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to locate the search bar. In this search bar, type in Journal Entry. This feature enables you to find the specific function quickly instead of navigating through various menus. Once you've typed it in, you should see the Journal Entry option appear. Click on it to proceed. You will be redirected to the Journal Entry page. Here, QuickBooks provides you with fields to fill in with your accounting information. Click on the Account field, which allows you to choose the appropriate account you want this journal entry to impact. Select the account pertinent to your transaction. It's crucial that you get this right to ensure your financial statements accurately reflect your business operations. After selecting the account, turn your attention to the Debits column. Here, input the amount you want to debit. Remember, in double-entry bookkeeping, debits and credits must always balance, so take your time and double-check this amount for accuracy. Next, move over to the Credits column and input the corresponding amount. If you're unsure about which account should be debited or credited, it's always a good idea to consult with an accountant or refer back to basic accounting principles to ensure entries are correct. Following that, it's time to add a bit more detail to your entry with a description. Click on the Description field and provide a clear and concise explanation of the transaction. This can be incredibly helpful for anyone reviewing your books later, offering context about what the journal entry represents. Moving forward, locate the Name field and click on it. This section allows you to associate the journal entry with a specific customer or vendor. This can be particularly useful for keeping comprehensive records of who is involved in your transactions, tying back all relevant business dealings efficiently. Next, you'll notice the Memo field. This is where you can add any additional notes related to the journal entry. Consider this an internal note section where future you or your team can easily understand why this entry was made or any additional context that might be necessary. Finally, don't forget about the Attachments feature. If you have any relevant documents, receipts, or invoices related to the transaction, click on the Attachments section to upload them. Attaching these documents ensures that all related information is accessible in one place. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of making a journal entry in QuickBooks. With each step, double-check your entries for accuracy to maintain clean and accurate financial records. Happy bookkeeping, and remember, precise entries today make for smoother sailing down the financial road.